Ever wondered how an AI chatbot could revolutionize your business operations? Imagine a world where a digital assistant, built with your specific business data, handles customer inquiries, qualifies leads, and books appointments with ease. This isn't science fiction, but the reality of AI chatbots for business. These smart bots can comprehend your business values, respond accurately based on your business documentation, and automate key procedures, boosting productivity and saving precious time. So how exactly do you create an AI chatbot for your business? Let's unpack the process. Creating a powerful AI chatbot for your business is simpler than you might think. With a dash of planning and a sprinkle of creativity, you can have a chatbot that's primed and ready to bring your business to new heights. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of it in 5 simple steps. First up, train your bot by feeding it your business content. Think of it like feeding a baby. The more diverse the diet, the healthier the growth. Files, websites, text, it all helps your chatbot get a comprehensive understanding of your business. This ensures it can answer customer queries accurately and automate business processes like a pro. Next on the agenda is defining your chatbot's role. What's its mission? Is it a customer service agent, an onboarding assistant, a lead generator, or an appointment booker? By giving your chatbot a clear role, you're ensuring it's laser-focused on meeting your specific business needs. Now let's move on to the fun part. Customizing your chatbot's identity and activating lead capturing mode. Give your bot a personality that aligns with your brand. Make it friendly, professional, quirky, whatever suits your style. And don't forget to switch on the lead capturing mode. This lets your chatbot gather important details like names and emails from your website, visitors, or anyone interacting with it. It's like having a 24/7 networking agent building your customer database and nurturing leads. Fourth on the list is setting up lead qualification questions and integrating your calendar. This helps your chatbot qualify leads and book appointments. It's like having a diligent secretary who never takes a break. Whether you use Calendly, Google Calendar, or Apple Calendar, integrating it with your chatbot will make scheduling a breeze. Finally, the moment of truth. Deploying your AI chatbot, embedded on your website or business support portal using the provided code. Share your custom bot link on social media or attach it to your business lead magnets. The more accessible your chatbot is, the more it can engage with your audience and drive business growth. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating an AI chatbot that's ready to transform your business. It's like having a tireless team member who's always on the clock, boosting efficiency and enhancing customer experience. So what are you waiting for? It's time to bring your AI chatbot to life. Now that you understand the process, where can you go to create your AI chatbot? Well, the choices are plentiful. The digital landscape is teeming with numerous AI platforms designed to help you create your very own business chatbot. These platforms offer a range of features, from easy-to-use interfaces to comprehensive training modules, all designed to make the chatbot creation process as seamless as possible. Whether you're looking to build a simple chatbot for customer support or a more complex AI for automating various business processes, there's a platform out there that's just right for you. And the best part, many of these platforms require no coding skills, making them accessible to everyone. But with so many choices, where do you start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We've handpicked a couple of excellent platforms and linked them in the video description below. Don't miss the opportunity to automate your business processes with an AI chatbot. Check out the recommended platforms in the description and start your journey today.